The past is a memory. The future, an expectation. There is simply eternal now.
Well, what if we can't afford this treatment?
Of course we can afford it. I'm not losing you.
I'd rather die here comfortably than hooked up to a bunch of nonsense in some rundown hospital.
Death is not an option.
Why can't you stop forcing me to live in pain and let me die peacefully?
We think ordinarily of the present as an infinitesimal point at which the future changes into the past. And we also imagine ourselves to be results of the past. The echo, which is memory, is simultaneously what tells you you exist and what traps you. So in the sense that it tells you you exist, it's an advantage. To the extent that it traps you, it's a debt. Stop trying to remember everything. That's clinging to life, because that memory has got you hooked. It holds you to the past, and it holds you to death. See, memory is an illusion. It's all gone. There is only the eternal now. There is only the present moment. There never will be anything else. Because even what you're remembering is happening in the present. See, if you're leaving your past behind you, it doesn't drive you. It wells up out of a mysterious present, ever new. This moment is the creation of the universe. It's starting now. Your disappearance as this particular organism is simply seasonal. That you are just as much the dark space beyond death as you are the light interval called life. The total environment depends on each and every one of those little organisms. So that you could say this universe consists of an arrangement of pattern in which every event is essential to the whole thing. What is, in other words, conflict at one level of magnification is harmony at a higher level. Now, could it possibly be, therefore, that we, with all our problems, conflicts, neuroses, sicknesses, political outrages, wars, tortures, and everything that goes on in human life, are a state of conflict which can be seen in a larger perspective as a situation of harmony? Change, and everything is changed, nothing can be held on to. To the degree that you go with a stream, you see, you are still. You're flowing with it. But to the degree you resist the stream, then you notice that the current is rushing past you and fighting with you. So swim with it. Go with it. And you're there. You're at rest.